Hey guys, this is Taju22 here, and welcome to our second match of this Royal Rumble Super Show. Um, again, uh, and again, the participants in this match will more likely than not compete in the Royal Rumble, but this match is for the United States Championship, and yes, we have the United States Heavyweight Champion, Sonic. And that was Sonic in that theme song. But up next is the Bulldozer. So for the Bulldozer, this is his second opportunity to become the United States Heavyweight Champion. And of course, the theme goes to their respective owners and the people that made it. But up now we have Bulldozer. I'll tell you one thing, it was a huge burden off his back when he finally beat Primo. Not just to beat him, but to actually, get a shot at this championship. I mean, the last time that, that the Bulldozer had a match one-on-one, and it was for this very title, Primo attacked him from behind. And try as he might, Bulldozer tried everything, but Primo got the upper hand. And Primo, of course, would also win the cage match. And in the crowd is Joseph? I don't know why he's watching this match. I mean, his brother is slated to defend the title later on tonight against Randy Orton. But up next, but right now we have Sonic and the Bulldozer. Both these men will probably and more likely be in the Royal Rumble for the opportunity to become and a punch right to the nuts of Sonic. I mean, Bulldozer might have been a crowd favorite, but he still loves to do that move. But right now, it's the Bulldozer against Sonic the Hedgehog, as a human, of course. And, of course, Maria was, asked to stay back, as he felt that this match would be how do I say this? He felt Maria would be in danger if she was in this match and she got hurt at the hands of Bulldozer. But the Bulldozer sends him off the ropes and gives Sonic a hip toss. So for Sonic, this is his first title defense. I will say that no one has ever won the United States Heavyweight Championship any quicker than Sonic the Hedgehog has. I mean, no one has ever done what Sonic has done, and that's to become the quickest to win a major championship such as the United States Heavyweight Championship. But he's going to be taking on one tough customer in the Bulldozer. But now Sonic, and an uppercut from off the top rope. And now he's going to go to the outside. Nope, he thought better of it. And an arm drag, or a hip toss, a modified hip toss, nonetheless. And another one. He's grabbing him by the arm. He's using the leverage to help him win, to help lift the Bulldozer up there. Whipping to the ropes. Oh, and a facebuster knee by Sonic. And a leg sweep by the Bulldozer. And now Bulldozer picks him up. What's he going to do with him? Nope, Sonic got out of it and counters with a neck breaker. And now what's Sonic going to do here? And shades of Mr. Perfect, Curt Hennig. I mean, Curt Hennig throughout his whole career has done that. When he went under the alias of Mr. Perfect, and a leg sweep, and a leg sweep to the Bulldozer. But the Bulldozer responds with an arm drag of his own. And a whip into the corner there. Oh, and an avalanche right to Sonic. And a hip toss by the Bulldozer. Oh, and a back suplex by the Bulldozer. Oh, and a jawbreaker by Sonic, followed by a flying forearm. And I'm very sorry about that. And Sonic, what's Sonic going to set up for? Oh my god, what a... He lifted a 350-pound man over his shoulder and suplexed him, but unfortunately when he went to pin him, he was too close to the ropes. And a senton attack. And a hip toss by the Bulldozer. Oh, and a kick to the head. And a takedown by Sonic. Oh, and a shot right to the head. And Bulldozer sends Sonic over the top rope and out. And the Bulldozer showing how strong he is. Oh, and what a shot by Sonic. Oh, and a super clothesline by the Bulldozer. And now what's Sonic going to do here? Oh, now he's choking out the Bulldozer. He may have to. The man is 350 pounds of force. You're not going to just beat him up like you would any other man, really. Oh, and a knee to the gut by Sonic. A Hurricane Rana by Sonic. Oh, and an arm drag by Sonic. Oh, and another clothesline. And an elbow drop. And a whip over the top rope. Oh, and a shoulder tackle that sends Sonic to the outside. And as you can see, the Bulldozer's flexing his muscles. And Sonic gets back into the ring and gives him a facebuster knee. And a flip senton attack. And now Sonic is gonna... Oh, and a super punch by Sonic. Over the top rope. And what's Bulldozer doing? Dude, are you going to do something or not? Wait a minute. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Sunset flip over the top rope. 1, 2, 3. I don't believe it, folks. Sonic has defended the the United States Heavyweight Champion. Or defended the United States Heavyweight Championship. I'm sorry, I got that word confused. But he's defended the championship. We'll see him later on tonight along with the Bulldozer. We'll find out if he can keep that very championship. But give Sonic a lot of credit. He defended his championship fair and square, I might add. But stay tuned for the next match.